Walmart Delivery Auto Insurance Requirements and Rates with FreeAdvice.com. Inflation is still at an all-time high, and finding a second job isn't what you envisioned when researching ways to make more money. It's not always flexible and might not fit into your schedule. But what about Walmart Delivery? In this time, when insurance is a need, you might be asking, what happens when a Walmart delivery driver gets into an accident while out delivering? Does your normal auto insurance cover it? If you have questions about ride-sharing and food delivery services insurance, you can find agents by visiting our site FreeAdvice.com and typing your zip code into the search box. Within minutes, you'll have a list of agents who may be able to answer your questions. Our site also provides guides to commonly asked questions. You may struggle to make ends meet when evaluating your budget, income, and expenses. For many Americans, finding a second form of income has become a necessary step toward providing essential needs for their families. If you are considering driving for delivery services such as Walmart Delivery, it's essential to understand all the logistics that go into working this type of job. Many workers might not know that additional auto insurance could be required. Finding out from your agent what's covered through your current auto policy is always important to handle before starting a new job that requires driving. And if you're wondering if the same auto insurance that you usually have extends its coverage to situations like this, the answer isn't always so cut and dry. Don't worry though, we're here to help you through the confusing questions surrounding delivery jobs and insurance. Before that, we know ride-sharing coverage is confusing, but it doesn't have to be. Just visit our site FreeAdvice.com where you can easily find guides and valuable information on commonly asked questions regarding ride-sharing service coverage requirements and much more. Will your personal insurance cover you when delivering for Walmart? A personal insurance policy alone will not cover a delivery driver in an on-the-job accident. When drivers use their personal vehicles for commercial use, they typically need additional insurance coverage. A personal insurance policy is for personal use only, and as soon as you use your car for commercial purposes, such as delivering food, your personal policy ceases to provide any protection. Without the proper insurance, you may drive uninsured as soon as you clock in to deliver and not even know it. And during an on-the-job accident, you might have to pay all the costs out of your pocket. Without the proper insurance protection, Walmart is not liable for an accident you might have while driving. You might be wondering, what exactly is Walmart Delivery Auto Insurance? Who qualifies for this coverage, and what requirements do you have to meet? Walmart Delivery Auto Insurance is a policy that is not provided through Walmart or the delivery company that provides services for Walmart. This policy is a necessity that a Walmart delivery driver should have. Purchasing this commercial insurance is a need as it will act as your Walmart delivery car insurance policy. So, if you're considering working as a delivery driver for Walmart, you ought to know that your standard auto insurance won't cover accidents that happen on the job. Walmart uses third-party couriers, so whether you'll drive for Postmates, Point Pickup, Skipcart, or DoorDash, you will still need to acquire your auto insurance coverage. Many insurance companies cater to different needs. Regarding the overall customer experience for delivery drivers, Progressive and GEICO insurance services stand above the rest. Progressive offers a safe driver discount that can help you save up to 30% on your commercial auto insurance policy. The average monthly rates for commercial auto insurance policies are $273. We understand that getting the best insurance coverage for the lowest price is often a top priority for those seeking insurance coverage. If you want to compare affordable Walmart delivery auto insurance policies, just enter your zip code now at FreeAdvice.com to quickly compare delivery driver insurance rates from multiple companies and start saving money. What type of Walmart delivery auto insurance do I need? You might be questioning the next step in getting yourself insured and secured as you start delivering for Walmart. The options might be overwhelming and confusing, yet you only have one thing in mind: getting the best deals. Sometimes, it's important to know that insurance companies will allow you to add business riders to your standard policy. Always remember that the coverage you have from the company you drive for may vary. Accidents can happen at any time and anywhere, so Walmart delivery drivers need to have the proper coverage. If you are getting overwhelmed and feel like the cost of a commercial policy might be too much, you are not alone. You can get a more affordable Walmart delivery auto insurance policy with discounts, and that second job might be worth the risk after all. Just visit our site FreeAdvice.com, where you can easily find guides and valuable information on commonly asked questions regarding ride-sharing service coverage requirements and much more. There are a lot of auto insurance companies that offer the coverage you need as a food delivery worker. Due to different factors, including the car you drive, the number of miles driven, and other factors that often go into deciding insurance rates, it's important to remember that prices might vary drastically from one person to the next. Choosing the right coverage is critical yet crucial, and we're here to help you. Remember, it's important to know that there are ways you can save money on your auto insurance policy. You can begin by looking first into adding business use to your current personal auto insurance policy, as it can be the most affordable way to ensure you have coverage while delivering for Walmart. To do this, you should contact your current insurance provider and ask if you can add business use to your current auto insurance policy. Take note that only some companies offer this. If your current auto policy doesn't allow the addition of business use to your existing policy, you might as well check Progressive Insurance and GEICO. Both insurance company provides good deals and discounts. Looking for discounts is an excellent way to cut down on the total cost of your delivery driver auto insurance. And as your rates will be higher with the right policy to cover you while delivering for Walmart, it also gives you comfort knowing that you and your vehicle will be covered if an accident occurs. Working a second job is already risky, so make sure you are safe and secure while doing it. And as much as possible, get the best discount out of your insurance policy. We understand that insurance coverage can be tricky, so we prioritize providing you with the best and most up-to-date information on our website at FreeAdvice.com. By typing your zip code into the search box, you can find free insurance quotes and a list of agents in your area who are always willing to help. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something valuable today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, and thank you for watching.